recruiters and professional services firms are using Poetry to save 25% of their time every day completing their tasks. Here is a quick example using a workspace for PwC. I've chosen PwC purely because I used to work for this organization. I'm not saying that they're a customer of ours using this particular product. It's just for the demonstration. So when I log onto the workspace, I've got all my different solutions for recruitment marketing, recruitment operations, recruiter learning, and tools. I typically am going to go into my playbooks, create. It is a risk management job. It is a senior risk consultant. It's based in Chicago. Click build all playbook assets. And this is going to take approximately 20 seconds to deliver 17 essential items of talent intelligence, talent sourcing assets like Boolean strings and outreach messaging, recruitment marketing content such as job adverts and social media posts, as well as operational recruitment materials like job descriptions and candidate interview questions. I've done very light touch configuration on the workspace for PwC. So this is probably going to be about a 7 out of 10. With an additional hour's worth of work, it's going to be a 9 or maybe even a 10 out of 10. So this is what it's produced. Here's the challenges and responsibilities in this role. Relevant courses in this location related to this role. The strategic value of the position to my firm, the potential for this to be automated, recommended skills and qualifications, salary range and benefits according to Glassdoor, pay scale, and other trusted sources, similar job titles, job board suggestions. So this is where to advertise. Notice that I can click detail, and that gives me more information about each of the assets. Playbooks. So largest employers. Here's the largest employers for this type of job in this location. Notice that I have a competitor card in here for this organization, KPMG. I click on and it tells me about their strengths, weaknesses, leadership, and a good summary of PwC versus KPMG as an employer, along with highlights for what the recruiter needs to amplify to convince the candidate to join this organization. Here's the firms with the best career opportunities. Notice that we do deliver sources, the characteristics of employers that hire for this type of role, job and industry insights, remote work trends, diversity trends, commutable locations where there are people that can do the role, turnover and growth rates, and demand v supply. So now that I've got these bite-sized pieces of information, talent intelligence, I'm ready to move on to the kickoff meeting. Here's my structure for the kickoff meeting. Boolean string, senior risk consultants in and near Chicago, social media outreach messaging, conversation guide, that's an elevator pitch, objection handling responses, brand adverts if I need a carousel for a volume campaign, email copy if I've got people in the CRM I want to reach out to, my firm's EVP contextualized for the talent persona of a senior risk consultant, job advert, landing page copy, talent persona, social media post, job description, skills-based hiring tells me which jobs have an overlap in skills, and a bit more detail so I can have a intelligent manager, and then candidate interview questions. You can configure this in lots of different ways so that different personas within your team are getting different solutions and not the ones that are irrelevant to them. And there's a lot more configuration I can do in here so that each organization's default templates for the kickoff meetings and the interviews and the job adverts and things like that, they're all in there, and they can be applied to specific locations, specific teams, etc. So recruiters can not really go wrong. Everything that's produced is right first time, it's on brand, it's in context. We're optimized for two things. Number one is speed, and number one equal is governance. I hope you like it.